Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to import a binary file or attachment into Salesforce using the agent file adapter. In Salesforce integration scenarios, it is often necessary to import binary files or attachments such as PDF documents, images, or other file formats into Salesforce records. Using the agent file adapter, you can seamlessly process and upload these files from local or remote file systems directly into Salesforce. The user can attach a file to a new agent in Salesforce via the agent file adapter. When importing a binary file or attachment into Salesforce using the agent file adapter, there are two main use cases. Import the binary file and link it to a fixed sObject via VLOOKUP. In this case, the binary file, such as a PDF or image, is imported and automatically linked to a specific Salesforce record like an account or case using a fixed reference or VLOOKUP field. Import the binary file together with a business file, CSV, XML, or JSON. Here, both a business file and one or more binary files are imported together. The business file contains a field that references the related binary files, allowing the system to connect each file to its corresponding record dynamically. This second use case will be demonstrated in the next video. So, let's get started. We need to create a message type. Go to the Metadata Provider Detail page. Create a metadata provider. Click on the New button. Enter your metadata name. Then click the Save button. Create repositories. Click on the New button. Enter your repository name. Then click the Save button. Find the section Message Type. Click on the New button. Enter your message type name. Then click the Save button. Create IStructure. Go to your repository. Click Related Page. Structure section. Click the New button. Fill in the IStructure name. Fill in length. Choose Category, Element. Click the Save and New button to create another required structure. Here, all iStructures are created. Go to your message type. Click Related Page. Select Field from Repository. Click the Search button. Check All iStructure Name. Then click the Save button. Here, all the required message type field entries are created. Create a new integration or an existing one. Click on the New button. Enter your integration name. Then click the Save button. Click on your integration name. Click on the Interface tab. Click the New Interface button. Enter the interface name. Select source name. Operation insert. Direction inbound. Select status deploy. Interface API version v3. Select the metadata provider name. Select repository name. Select the message type name, then click the Save button. Go to the Interface Detail page. Find the Open Mapping button. Do mapping from source field to target field. Mapping route to route. And mapping field to field. We need to do a VLOOKUP to find your account in Salesforce. In this example, we use the agent file adapter to import binary files such as PDFs or images. Each file is automatically linked to a fixed account record named binaries in Salesforce, helping keep all imported attachments organized under one account. Input the expression. Test the formula to make sure the expression is correct syntax. And click the Apply button. Check the external ID name and click the Save button. Go to the directory file. Here is the file import to Salesforce. Find the custom link agent control board and click on it. In the connection destination step. For this example, I'm using my connection. If you don't have one, you can create a connection before proceeding. We have a video on the SKYVVA YouTube channel showing how to make a connection in the agent control board. Click on New. Pick my connection from the list. Click on the Continue button. In the Agent to Salesforce step, click the Ping Salesforce Connection button. If the status in the upper right corner shows online, you will have access to the agent control board and can link the connection with the adapter. Then, click the Save Connection button. After saving the connection successfully, click on the Adapter tab. Click on the New button. We need to create an inbound adapter. Enter your inbound adapter name. Select Type Agent File. Select the direction inbound. Protocol Local. Select Content Format SKYVVA Message. Select File Type Binary. Enter your folder name. Enter file name. What to do with the file after processing. In this example, we select Delete File. Select the connection destination name, then click the Ping Connection button. After the Ping Connection success, click the Save button. After save the adapter successfully, go to the Integration Details page. Select your target interface and click on the Edit button. Scroll to the right side to find the adapter session and choose your adapter binary file that you created and click on the Save button. Go to the Agent Control Board. Click on the Cache Monitor tab. Click on the Filter button. This ensures the agent always uses the latest configuration and helps avoid issues caused by outdated settings. The caches are completed. Navigate to the Interface tab. Select the interface. Then click the Manual Process button. After manual processing is complete, click on the Message Monitor tab. Scroll down and click the Search button to verify the message status. Collab to view the business message. Here is a content version sObject imported into Salesforce. If you just want to see the binary data, you can click on our message related and get the downloaded binary file. The binary file is downloaded successfully. Go to the directory folder and click on Download. This is a binary file get from a download. Then we open the account to verify binary data. Go to the Setup page. Click on the menu and search for accounts. Click on the account name record to view the details. In the Note and Attachment section, click View All. Here is the file name imported. After importing the binary file using the message type, we now want to show how to import a binary file or attachment using the sObject IStructure. Go to the Interface page detail. Click on the Edit icon. Remove metadata, repository, and message type. Then click the Save button. Find the Open Mapping button. Do mapping from source field to target field. Mapping root to root. And mapping field to field. We need to do a VLOOKUP to find your account in Salesforce. Input the expression, test the formula to make sure the expression is correct syntax, and click the Apply button. Check the external ID name and click the Save button. Go to the Agent Control Board. Navigate to the Interface tab. Select the interface, then click the Manual Process button. After manual processing is complete, click on the Message Monitor tab. Scroll down and click the Search button to verify the message status. Collab to view the business message. Here is a content version sObject imported into Salesforce. Go to the Account Record Note and Attachment page. Click the refresh icon. Here is the file name imported. To import a binary file or attachment into Salesforce using the agent file adapter, you can use either a message type or an sObject structure. Use a message type when you need custom fields, complex mapping, or extra metadata with your file import. It offers more flexibility and control, but requires additional setup. Use an sObject structure, like attachment or content version, when you want a simple and direct upload of files into Salesforce objects. It's faster and easier, but limited to the object's standard fields.